The new Echo Show 8 now has a Zigbee router built in, so you can pair Zigbee lights, motion sensors, door sensors, and other Zigbee products. It has Thread, so you can connect Thread devices. Also, this can serve as a Matter controller. If you're not familiar with Matter, that is one of the latest smart home standards. Matter requires a smart home controller. With Apple, that can be an Apple TV, HomePod Mini, or full-size HomePod. With the Echoes, you had to get an Echo 4th generation. Now the Echo Show 8 has you covered. Again, with the widgets on the home screen, you can have your smart home there and access your favorites quickly. If you want to rearrange those favorites, you go into the Alexa app, you go under your devices, and then just pick your favorites that you want. That's a nice little update there that will make this more useful as a touch controller. Now let's talk about performance. The new Echo Show 8 is supposed to be 40% faster. Language models with it that's supposed to be more natural and respond to you more appropriately.